Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable phone call access in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and find out phone calls. If you want to give access, so turn on this option, and if you want to disable and block access, so turn off this option. So this is the way you can enable and turn on phone call access in Windows 11. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps can make phone calls when this is on. And also you can allow and block let apps make phone calls. Choose which app can make phone calls. So here you can turn on and turn off. So this is the way guys you can enable phone calls access in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.